To open the hood, there's a small latch under the dash. Pull forward to pop the hood. In the very middle, there's a small tab. Pull to the right, and you'll be able to lift up the hood. This is your brake fluid cap. And on there you'll see the minimum level mark, which is actually this ridge. It's a seam for the tank, and you'll want to be sure that you have fluid to that mark. You can fill it here if you need to add some with the proper brake fluid. Do not put anything other than brake fluid into that container. Make sure the cap is sealed tight when you're done. Usually a cause for low brake fluid is your brake pads worn and the pistons are full, and that's usually a good indicator it's time for replacing brakes when you see low brake fluid. Never overfill your brake fluid. It'll spill out, it is acidic, and will eat paint.